going to quickly go through. We've probably got about 15, 16 items to go through, don't we, Ian, where we're going to talk about our favourite releases from 2024. Some of them are new and exciting, like AI-related stuff, and others are back to basics, getting stuff done, being more productive. I'm going to kick off, Ian, with my favourite release from the year, and then I'll hand over to you for yours. Mine is managing association labels in workflows. I think this has been, if I think about all our clients that we've worked with, this has been the one that's been used the most by a number of clients, because what they can do is create contact-to-contact associations and manage that automatically in workflows with association labels. I'll give you the prime example, referral processes. One of your contacts, possibly a customer, refers someone else. They do it in a referral form. It's always been painful to handle that. Now they do it. That form can be submitted. You can use workflows to have not only the original contact, create another contact, which is associated by an association label. We've actually got an overview in our knowledge base. Pooja's written all that. You can get that link in the show notes. Really handy. It's been an unlock for a number of clients. It solved a big business problem, makes data much cleaner, more structured, and that's it. And so who would have thought being able to set association labels in workflows was so powerful and useful? Well, now we know. What's been your top tip from the year?
Craig, I struggled with this because there were so many, but I went with the quick filters on views and the views themselves. That, to me, has been one of the biggest unlocks this year with people. And I say this because the quick filtering actually gives you a massively improved ability to quickly access the data that's important to your business. So in the example that I have given here, because a lot of the team use an inquiry type to filter down what people are looking for, that's been really good, because previously you'd had to do about 3 clicks and choose, and then whereas here you can do it very quickly. And so this has been a massive unlock. I just love creating views and these quick filters and then sharing with people, because it speeds up operations massively and gives people the information at hand quickly.
I think that's a really good one. Views they're becoming foundational, aren't you? And I guess back last episode we talked about it, views. Like, you know how we've said lists are kind of the building blocks?
Yes.
It's almost like views. Well, they're easier, they're quicker, they're not as powerful in terms of associated objects, but they really are good. And I just wonder if views are going to become almost an item that you can pull into other things. Like, you know, you can create reports based on lists. You can create a report based on a view.
Yeah.
But as people use views more and more, I wonder how that'll go. Anyway, exciting times ahead.